First, we create a new database. When I mean, name it anchor. Here we put 70. We leave it like this. Go to file, import. We put here IGES. We uncheck this box and we select anchor. Apply. We put OK to the summary. We select this view, ISO 3 view, and smooth shade it. We go over here. To get this view, we go here, and we go to geometry, create a surface curve. And we start in curve. For starting curves, select this one, and ending over here. Click apply. Select yes. We have a new surface. So again, not to trim. We select the chain. Starting curves is gonna be this one. We make sure the purple dot is over here. So click OK, OK. Then we close the curve. And we go back here and we select over here curve. So our loop is gonna be curve 1. Apply. Yes. Now we go over here. Go here, delete any, and we select this one and this one. These two surfaces. We can apply. Okay, they are now erased. We go here to create again point, arc center, and we're gonna choose this one and this one. Yes, for all. We now have our points. Now we are here to create a card, 3 point. Here we select this one, this point. Then we select for axis 3, one bottom, and one through 3 planes of this one. Now we got our point. Now we go here to transform, curve, and translate. We select here curvilinear. We leave it to, we put here curve 1, and we put here 2. And our curve is gonna be this one. If this happens, you can click undo and over here change. So here too. We need the curve to look like this. Okay. We go here to edit surface and break. Our surface is we put here surface and the break curve, so maybe this one. Yes, we want to delete. After we can go here and select view again, zoom out to get this view. You go here again, surface break or surface list. Okay, we here have to change the parametric to constant UV direction. We'll leave it at 0.5 and curve. We select this one. Yes, we want to delete. Then we go to edit surface, and here we put add vertex. Our surface is gonna be this whole face. Under point, it's gonna be this one. Click apply. and we do the same for the other side. Apply. Okay. Then we got this view again, the isotree. We got the geometry, transform, surface, and we select here mirror. In a card, we select here 3-point. On our mirror plane, we select 3 points of the face we want to mirror. In our surface list, it's gonna be this hole. This for all. Now we check undo. Then we proceed to transform, surface, and mirror. We select here and we select over here 3 points. We have to select our 3 points in the face we want to mirror. So what's going on? We select 3 points here, here. So now we got our 3 points here, 24, 38, and 36. And for surface, we select the whole surface. We select yes for all, and we got our new mirror solid. And we do exactly the same to mirror it again to make the hole longer we are looking for. So 3 points. Select 1, 2, 3, and the surface. Again, just for all. Now we got our whole anchor. Now that we got our anchor, full anchor, we go to create solid, and we select here VREP. Now we just have to select our whole surface. And yes, as you can see here, created when solid. And just to show you the solid, we go here and click wireframe. We select plot erase here, and we select here solid one, and we plot it. We have to select here and here. Okay. Now we can see our solid. Used to see. Okay, we're going to plot it again. Here, plot. And this is now our solid.